Today, since our vitamin C test did not work, I was going to demonstrate that for the Bio 111 students. And I wanted you guys to see that the reagent, it's reversed this time. The reagent goes into the test tubes first, and the distilled water would also be in your little bucket that would have been at your lab bench. So the procedure starts with putting 20 drops of this reagent, which is indophenol, I believe, into these test tubes. 10, 11, 12, 20, that's about 20. 20, and come on. This guy needs a little more, I think. No, I didn't mark them on the tubes themselves. I'm just going to mark them in front, so hopefully you can see. This is going to be the positive control, the negative control, and then I have two unknowns that we're going to use today. We're going to use C and H. Let's try that. Okay, so how this works is the first thing we do is we put in our positive control, which again I'm also going to get from the little bucket that would have been at your lab bench. And the positive control for this one is wrapped in aluminum foil because it's light sensitive. So I'm going to open this up, and this is, I wish you guys could have seen this today because it's really neat. It's like a magic trick. So I'm going to put one drop, and when I swirl it, it turns clear. It turns back to slightly pink, so you could feel free to put in, I'm going to put in 2 drops, and that's what happens. That's a positive test for vitamin C. So now I'm going to put distilled water, because that's always my negative control in this lab, and I'm going to put the same number of drops, which is 2, into my negative control tube, and after each drop I'm going to give it a little swirl, and put the other drop in, give it a little swirl, and I want you to notice that one stays blue. That's negative for vitamin C, because water doesn't have vitamin C in it, or at least it shouldn't. Now this is one of the unknowns that we use today, actually, down in Camden. I know ours were labeled with numbers, and this one is the letter, but we'll just go with it. I'm going to put one drop in, and I'm going to swirl it. Doesn't look like it's going to change. I'll put another drop in, swirl it around. Doesn't change. So because that one looks like the negative control and not like the positive control, this also does not have vitamin C in it. And for our last test, we're going to try unknown letter H here. And same procedure. I'm going to put one drop in, and I'm going to swirl. Oh, look, it changed. I'm going to put a second drop in, and we get this pink color. And the reason for the pink color is because there are other molecules in here. It's not pure vitamin C, so it's not going to go as clear as our positive control, but it certainly does not look like the water. So we would give letter H here as a positive test for vitamin C.